Welcome to my channel, and this is the beauty that I am riding. I'll be taking my 2020 Seadoo FishPro out in the water, and it's got great conditions today, so let's go check them out. Now, I am in my pajamas, so this isn't the best time to be outside, but as you can see, basically no one. So let's go check out the conditions I'll be riding in just under an hour. Look, let's get going. Oh, let's just see real quick. Clear today, real perfectly clear, really good day today. I don't know, you're a little wet, that's not right. We're gonna go to Victor Reef, which is about this way, so let's go. Just around the spot that I was attacked by a shark. So I'm going to switch this around. There's some tuna jumping nearby, which is probably unfortunate, but I was attacked on this beauty, so do what you will with that information. Holy lot of shit here. As I was just going through that stretch there, see that stretch that I was just going through, not even like 15 seconds ago. Alright. It's probably only about 5 meters deep. I thought, you know, considering that I am about 4 kilometers off the coast, nearest coast behind me. You'd think it would be a little deeper than that. Apparently not. Holy fuck, it's no deeper than the fucking creek that it's no deeper than the creek that I actually like launched from. So I'm probably screwed. Oh, I'm not screwed, I'm really fine. But let's go check out some camping and let's go have some fun. Let's go check out camping. Because Victor Reef, there's nothing interesting about it. Really, in complete honesty. It's a private island owned by Douchebag, and the reef is just like another island, but it sinks at high tide. So a load of horse shit, basically. Like an ugly naked mole rat, so let me put a hat on. Oh, it's all wet. Transducer has been disconnected? What? I'm sorry? What? Fucking what? Oh, it smells like cheese. Oh, the thing broke. Kind of. Hopefully I don't look like a naked mole rat. I'm taking the glasses off. I can see clearly now. I'm gonna be Filming off the actual attachment. Tell me what you see. Ah, la, 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 la. Tell me what you see. Tell me what you see. What do you see? No. Oh my god, this is so... Oh my god. Damn right, is that good? Oh shit, there's a Stingray. Holy. Stingray! Oh, you saw that? Oh, now it's got scared. It doesn't try to eat me. Okay, let's not get killed. Boys. Like this. There we go. Let's face in the right direction. There we go. Beached. Now I hope he isn't sitting on the water box.